So it's my birthday today, and I asked for a lot of different makeup products, just things that I can use every day and stuff that I think would do well for my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my birthday makeup, but with completely new products. It's also my first time doing a little like slick, so I think it's going to be a really good makeup day. Before anything, I make sure that my lashes and brows are done because I think that just frames your whole face. My brows have not been touched in like a month. They're a little, I mean, you can see. Now, I don't like using dip brows or anything like that because that makes my eyebrow look shiny. So in order to fake eyebrow strokes, I use a little like freckle pen and it does the job. I'm just putting strokes. I mean, now I have to do it on their side though. Like I can't just like try and forget this happened. Oh, I wasn't light-handed at all. Okay. That's why it looks like that. I know how crazy I look, but I have a vision and it's gonna get there. My favorite little NYX brow gel. Using my handy dandy makeup palette. Yeah, I need to clean it. I know. This will all get blended out with like my actual shade, but when it comes to like carving out my brows, I do prefer using a light shade so that it can just be highlighted, because when I put the foundation over this light shade, it's gonna still look like vibrant through it. Brows are done, and that took me 15 minutes. I got this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, but I also am in love with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I just want a little bit of a layer on my face, especially to blend out some of this that I have going on. This is just to make my skin look a little bit cohesive before I put the foundation on. Got this brush set for my birthday as well. So to blend this in, I want a dense brush, I think. That just gave me a nice little radiant glow. Honestly, it is kind of hard to pick up a lot of product because when you pick it up, it's literally just like, it's just the smallest amount on there. You do have to keep going in, and it was pricey. These bristles are like not moving, and that's what you want to use for your foundation. This is a flat top foundation brush, and you can just work it in the skin. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. 1.5. Yeah, I like to spread it out thin. Not much of a swiper because you can see the streak marks, so instead, I like to tap it in. I don't like putting foundation all the way up here because my skin has that natural kind of contour going on, so I focus it right in the center, right where that light is hitting me. And this is the point where I try and cover up the under eye too. I did change brushes because I wanted this little fluffier one. This is the dual-ended e.l.f. brush, and it's perfect. See? Still has that nice highlight. That's how I like my brows done. I know a lot of people don't, but I like a full beat. I mean, the base is just cohesive, and that's the goal. New product, the Milani. It just says Cheek Kiss. It's cream bronzer, that's what it says. I don't know what to expect. What's it gonna look like? I'll go in on this side because I kind of like the whole profile I'm giving right now. I have already pretty high cheekbones, so I'm just gonna go exactly where that line is. I'm gonna go right there, but focus it higher. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I do kind of contour my cheek as well, so a little that and follow the line. Honorable mention for cream contours is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is amazing, and the colors are pretty similar, if that helps. My favorite part is bronzing up the forehead because it looks so pale. I do want to follow the shadows of my forehead, but if I had a short forehead, I would honestly just contour right here to give the illusion that your forehead's bigger. But since I already kind of have like a bigger forehead, not really, just like an average size, I am going to contour up here to just give it that natural shadow. How I like doing my contour for my forehead is like definitely at the top and then bring it in and then do that shadow right there. Because that's just how I like the light to hit it. So that's how I contour. Time to Conceal has different size beauty blenders, small ones and tiny powder puffs. That's all I could ever want. Now this one is a new product. I love the e.l.f. Camo Concealers. They don't crease on me. I would rather get like a dark shade and a light shade and then make my shade rather than me try and find a perfect color match for a concealer that I'm not gonna find. Add the brightening where I need it and add my actual shade where I need it. I blend it out in a like oblique. Was this an oblique triangle? So down, then up. Allow room for the blush. I like using all cream products first and then setting it with the corresponding powder product. This thing is ran through. This will also help blend out the light concealer. So it gives that like pink under eye look. That's the look I'm going for because it's my birthday makeup. What do I do next? I'm gonna do my eyes. I kind of need to set my eyes a little bit. Favorite pink powder. I want to go for a nice little natural eye look, but you do gotta set the eyes first so that it's not oily and running. Oh, can you just see how that just like cleaned it up? Maybe you can. To the untrained eye, it looks the same. Not to me though. Using my new palette. Which one do I pick? I don't want any glitter today. I'm gonna go in the kind of medium brown. Let's see what this ColourPop is talking about. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is my all-time new favorite eyeshadow palette. Y'all know I love using a pink setting powder, so can you even see? It's like pink on it. I am going to lightly dust my eyebrows now with a little bit of the powder because they are a little bit shiny. Now back to the eyeshadow. If a little bit of the setting powder comes off, that's okay. Didn't need it there anyway. I tried to go like a little line away from my setting powder. I'm gonna put right where my eye fold is, so kind of going for a little bit of like a cut crease. Back in with that brown to blend it out. I really should set this. My eyelid's already creasing, so I definitely need to set this like right now. Here's how I do my wing. I go at the corner of my eye, flick up, and then just bring it in only a little bit, kind of where my lash ends. Like that. I just like it to look, I've been using that to describe every single thing with this look, but I really just want it to look like a part of my eyelash. And there it is. I think it's about time to wipe this off. I always do that. I should hold my nose right. Gotta add some powder to my forehead a little bit. I got this Juvia's Place. Going in with that chocolatey color to reinforce my contour. Ooh. Listen up and listen good. This is how I do my nose contour. I go in, and where you can see like that line, that's where I'm gonna put the first line of bronzer. Two lines going on the side. To even add more of like an upturned look, I am going to put a little bit and a triangular motion on the bottom where my shadow is. Whatever I used for my powder, bronzer, contour, whatever, I'm using the exact same thing on my nose. Now with that blush, oh, maybe that's too much. That's beautiful. Wow. A little bit up here to kind of take away from that cast. Same highlight, it's ever so slightly up here. Honestly looks like glitter, kind of like that. I prefer to bring my lip up, not all the way to my line, because that just kind of makes me look elongated, and this looks pouty. I got these two NYX soft matte lip creams. One is in Abu Dhabi, the other in Zurich. It smells like frosting, oh my gosh. I like using this jumbo lip pencil to blend in whatever brown color that I had on. It's like that perfect blush. This is the completed look. I love how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, or just want to see more of my content, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this look.